हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है उत्सव एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मुझे लगता है हम सब में कहीं ना कहीं एक इंट्रोवर्ट छुपा हुआ है। आई एक्सेप्ट एंड एक्नॉलेज दैट आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट। इंट्रोवर्ट्स आर सिंपली मिसअंडरस्टूड। इंट्रोवर्ट्स लोगों को हमेशा कभी ना कभी ज़िंदगी में गलत समझा जाता है या वो किसी भी तरीके से गलत फहमियों का शिकार होते हैं। So let me clear the doubts. So let's get started.
What is an introverted person like? An introvert is often thought of as a quiet, reserved, and thoughtful individual. Introverts prefer minimally stimulating environments and they need time alone to recharge. Extroverts refuel by being with others. Is being an introvert bad? Being an introvert is often considered weak. It is often thought that they aren't quite as good as the extroverts out there, who just seem to breeze through life. Nothing should stop an introvert getting where they want to be in life, even if they don't sell themselves as a born leader. People easily confuse the words shy and introverted. Is it good to be an introvert? Yes. Being an introvert is okay. It's a natural part of who you are. It comes with a lot of advantages, and yes, sometimes you will get tired if you are around people too long. But introverts can be fun, interesting, social, and even outgoing when they want to be. What are the 4 types of introverts? According to psychologists, there are 4 types of introverts: social, thinking, anxious, and restrained. It is also said that many introverts are actually a combination of all the 4 types, instead of identifying as just one of the types. Are introverts unfriendly? There are a lot of misconceptions about introverts, like that they are antisocial, unfriendly, shy, or lonely. But in many cases, being an introvert can actually be an asset. Introverts are people who get their energy from spending time alone. Who are some of the famous introverts? 8 famous introverts and what they can teach you. Albert Einstein. Not only is Einstein one of the most famous scientists in history, but he was also a known introvert. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft Corporations. Eleanor Roosevelt, former First Lady of the United States. Elon Musk, he is the founder, CEO, CTO, and Chief Designer of SpaceX and Tesla. Emma Watson, J.K. Rowling, Meryl Streep, Warren Buffett, and there are many more. What do introverts hate? Things that introverts have the hardest time with are not enough alone time, parties full of strangers, networking, keeping in touch with people, small talks, needing validation but hating attention. Do introverts have friends? It is not easy for introverts to make new friends because getting to know someone takes so much energy. However, introverts don't need a wide circle of friends. They prefer 1 or 2 close friends, even though they may know many people and have a large number of acquaintances. How much time do introverts need to be alone? The key is to learn to listen to your own needs and give yourself little breaks before you end up in that zone where your batteries are dead, crushed, and buried. I personally need at least 2 or 3 hours a day. That's the bare minimum, and I think something like 8 hours a day would be ideal. Do introverts talk to themselves? Introverts do talk to themselves quite often. They do simulate how their conversations is going to be with the second person, what topics they should talk, etc. It is like a group discussions in the brain. It is good many times as it considers all other perspective and then speaks out the opinion which often is agreed. It's always said, think before you speak. That's what they preach. Are introverts moody? Introverts often get mislabeled as moody or antisocial, when the fact is that when cared for correctly, they are neither. As an extrovert, it's easy to make the mistake of thinking that when someone is especially quiet, it means that they are upset about something, which is not. Do introverts get angry easily? Being true to their behavioral pattern, introverts rarely become angry. It is so contradictory to the expression they always have on their face. Nevertheless, when you see an introvert getting real angry, run for your lives. Introverts usually don't express themselves, and it is true for their anger as well. How do introverts get happy? Give them space. Personal space is the foundation introverts' happy place. Give them your favorite book. Invite them to events, but don't expect them to come. Don't call them. Tell them how much they mean to you. Let them speak. Respect their alone time. Drag them into social interactions from time to time. How do introverts show they love you? Introverts show their love by making you their go-to person for almost everything. Be it something happy or sad, the first person they want to confide in is you. You are the first person they want to share their feelings with because you probably have a great influence on this person's life and you on theirs. What do introverts do for fun? Fun activities for introverts. Take up photography. Listen to podcasts. Get artsy, drawing, painting, calligraphy, or pottery classes. Learn to play an instrument. Write. Spend time writing down your thoughts in a blog or put together poems. Cooking. Cook or bake. Create a YouTube channel. Take up a single person athletic activity. Bike, swim, run, dance, play tennis, or join a gym or yoga class. Take an online class. Learn something new. Travel solo. Your time is entirely your own. Gardening. Gardening allows you to stay close to home and cultivate. Watch movies. Meditate. And last, read. Reading allows you to escape into another world. I suspect there will be some frustrated people watching this who are far more knowledgeable and experienced in personality traits and the workings of our complex minds than I currently am. If so, I apologize for being the cause of your frustration.
इसी तरीके से और भी मेरे वीडियो देखने के लिए प्लीज़ सपोर्ट मी एंड थैंक यू. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर.